The Lord is my rock, Dumbo. The world is a desert, dry and wide, but I found a place where I can hide. Not built by hands, but by the word. The sweetest song I've ever heard. In the shadow of the Almighty's wing, this is the song that the weary sing. The spirit's heavy, but the air is clear. The noise of the city, it can't find me here. Up where the clouds and the granite meet, I lay my burdens at the mountain's feet. Take me to the Kudambo, where the living waters overflow. Kudambo, my shelter, my morning light, my fortress in the middle of the night. He is holy. He is holy. Lead me to the rock that is higher than I. I lift up my eyes to the hills. Mufudzi wangu, in the cleft of the rock, you hide my soul. You make me whole. Mwari Simba, you are the stone, the cornerstone I build upon. Though the mountains shake and the oceans roar, I'm safe behind your open door. Take me to the rock, Sitarenyurine Simba, to the rock where the wild winds blow. In the heart of the stone I find my soul. I'm standing on the rock, I'm standing on the rock, I'm standing on the rock, never changes. Handizungu nuswe, I shall not be moved. Handizungu nuswe, I shall not be moved. Kudombo, peace like a river, deep in the stone. Finally home. The Lord is my rock.